Today, we are touring a room at Walt Disney World's Caribbean Beach Resort. Located on the Skyliner route and equipped with a fifth sleeper, these rooms are perfect for families. We would love to help you plan your next vacation to Walt Disney World. Just drop us a message below or send a quick email, and one of our amazing advisors will take care of the details so you can focus on the fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Disney tips and tricks.